Setting up a business email in IONOS is a straightforward process that allows you to create professional email addresses using your domain. Here's how to do it. Log into your IONOS account. Visit the IONOS website and log in with your credentials. Access email settings. Once logged in, navigate to the email section in the control panel. Click on Create Email or Manage Emails. Choose an email plan. If you haven't already purchased an email plan, you may need to select one. IONOS offers various email packages, including options for multiple mailboxes and storage. Create your email address. Click on the Add New Mailbox button. Enter your desired email address and choose a password. Configure settings. Set up any additional preferences, such as storage limits or email forwarding. You can also choose to access your email via webmail or configure it in an email client. Save and test. Save your settings and test your new email address by sending and receiving a test email to ensure it's working correctly.